Hi, so today we'll start with the how to install WordPress on your machine locally. So it is a very basic tutorial for installation. Uh, Here only we will discuss about the how to install WordPress in local machine. What are the need for that? So we need Xampp, Notepad++. So everything we will discuss about for needed installation of the WordPress. So first, so we need to go for the Xampp. So I need a Xampp for the local machine to the as a behave as server. So I got a server also from the Xampp. So Xampp available on Apache friend website. So I will recommend you to go for your search engine. After that, search here Apache friend. Yeah, there is a first link apachefriends.org. Find this apachefriend.org, click on that websites, click on that links. After that you got some, yeah, look like that. So Xampp available for everyone. Xampp means Windows, Linux, OS X. So we need for the Windows, so click on Xampp for Windows. Otherwise another option is, yeah, another option is click on here download button. So if you click on Xampp for Windows, you got one pop-up. There is some binary file, so download it from first from apachefriends.org. Then I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download. Yeah, this one I have already downloaded in my system. So the next process is the installation. So I will recommend you to run as an administrator, so it's easy to use, no need for, yeah. Then you will show one pop-up, yes, on yes. Then Xampp will be processed for the run. Yeah, it will take the while time to little bit to run. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, he asked something about the its issue antivirus running. Yeah, ignore that, yes. Then ask something, click on OK. So there is one pop-up window, setup Xampp, welcome to Xampp setup wizard. Click on the here next. This is an important thing. You need to select the some component for the run application. So there was the some, if you show, there are the some Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, everything. So I will recommend use only my in here Apache MySQL, here only PHP, and here only PHP my admin. So select this, so unselect this all. Okay, so there is only some few options selected, Apache MySQL, FileZilla, process. Then click the next. Then he asks about where to choose the folder for installation of the your Xampp. So I will don't change any path, so I will recommend it to directly okay. Then he asks about actually by installation process, if you are online, then he gives some information about the Bitani app, so we will not recommend it for there. So I will uncheck this box, then click on the next, then click on the next. So it's preparing for the installation. Yeah, it's take some 75% right now. Yeah, so our setup was completed. So he asked, do you want to start the control panel right now? Then click on the finish. Yeah, after that click on the start. Wait the some time, progress is happen. Yeah, uh, as per your information I will tell you. Here is one icon like that, X. There is a your Xampp control panel. If you show this screen, this screen card, there is called as one of the screen. This is a Xampp control panel. There is service module, PID, ports and actions. So if you want to start the Apache, click on the start button. If you want to start the MySQL, then you need to click on the start. So I will go for the first. So if you understand how to installation, then this screen allow you to, if you any success in the installation, then we will appear this screen. So we need to start the Apache right now. So click on the start. Okay, some entire error logo. Okay, so we need to reclose them, reopen them as an administrator. So click on the control panel, run as an administrator. If you want, yes, want administrator, then yeah, service model. Going to start we stop the service, data detector stop. Again start. Yeah, this is now start. MySQL start. Yeah, this one also start. So if you want to run the, click on the Apache admin, then we will show it's running or not properly. Yeah, this is well work. So there is another option to our local server is working or not. Type the in URL http hypertext transfer protocol colon slash slash localhost. Yeah, if you got this page, then means you have to successful installation of Xampp again. So before going to install the WordPress, so before going to install the WordPress, so we need to database from the WordPress. So first we will create the first we will to download first the WordPress. So WordPress download from the wordpress.org. Click the first WordPress blog publishing platform CMS something. After that, okay, download the latest version, any latest version from the wordpress.org. There is, here are the one button, download WordPress 4.4. so click on this. Okay, after click on this, your download will be start. Yeah, I have already downloaded, then I don't recommend you to download again and again. So I will go for my server FTP. Okay, so I will actually I am saving I think I yeah, download, no need to go for a server. because I have download already. So download the WordPress from wordpress.org. Okay, so let's go back. So in here, after downloading the WordPress, copy this folder, go on your local drive C. Before at the installation time, we create the one folder Xampp on your local drive C. So double click on that, and here the folder called as htdocs. Click on htdocs, double click, and paste our WordPress folder here. So after that, means if you paste once, extract here only, it's extra progress will be start. After extract, we will some wait some time, extract completed. Okay. Okay, so WordPress, so this is the extract total file. Okay, so we will minimize that window. So WordPress, for installation the WordPress need to connect WordPress with our backend to server our database in MySQL. So click on the in your control panel, click on the admin. So if you click on the admin, the window will be shown as a PHP admin. The another way, you can type http here localhost/phpMyAdmin. Otherwise, the first window, you http://localhost, you run first on that. So after that, click here phpMyAdmin. So if you click on the phpMyAdmin, then also you appear this window. The another option, right click on the admin, then also you can get this type of the window, that is a phpMyAdmin dashboard window. So first we need to create the database for our WordPress. So click on database here, our database loading. Give any name of the database. I will give my WP database with database. So I will means remember, this is a all small cases, spelling also good, no any mistake, because it's a case sensitive. I will tell you later how much problem we are getting to, so if he wrong with any spelling okay. Okay, so my WP database, so I will create the database with the name of my WP database. So I will minimize that, then my WP database. Okay, my service start. Okay, after that, my WP database collation, and click on the create. Okay, database will be created. So this means you have to connect with your database. So we need to right now go on your computer, local disk C, in your Xampp folder. In your Xampp folder, go to htdocs. In htdocs, go on your WordPress folder. Then we will show one file, just wp config file. Rename this file as a wp-config.php, wp-config and php. So there is one thing. Okay, right click on edit with notepad++. So if you don't have notepad++ in your machine, then go for browser, type the here notepad plus plus. Then here after you got the one link notepad+++.org, then click on the download version. Type get any version with the notepad++. I recommended to you go further with any latest version. There is option to download, click on this download. I have already downloaded and installed, so I do not need to again download and install there. So I will tell you how to download. Click on the only download, double click, next, installation successfully, then no problem. Okay, so I will wp config file, right click on that, edit with notepad++. Okay, so here we need to some configuration. So define the here first. He will ask define db database name here. So here db, I will put database name. What are our database name? In small cases, my wp database, this is my database name. After that db user, here username is in single quote root, and password put the blank here, no need to password. And another thing is ask about wp debug. Here search wp debug. Yeah, this is false, so make it as a true. Make it as a true, wp debug, don't forget this. Okay, now we ready to need. So before going to close, first go on the file and click and the save. After saving, minimize it because we need again open to it. So our MySQL connection to database is over, so it's time to now installation the WordPress. So go for link http://localhost/WordPress. If it is any error, then it's installation progress. Oh good, it means in your work, in your database, in your spelling, nothing error, nothing wrong, then we will get this screen. If you have got any errors, any is wrong, then we will to check again. So what we will wrong with you, then click on the language, continue. Okay, so here after going back, WordPress asks some information about that things. So the first one, WordPress asks about your site title, then username, password, your email. So site title you can give any, just like I will give some is for learning. Username I will go, password I will set password here. You can choose any password but remember that password because you need to every time login for that. So your email, you can change this information anytime, there is, don't worry about that, you can change as per your requirement. Yeah, discover search engine, then install the WordPress. Here is options, site title, username, password. So please provide the following information. Don't worry, you can always change setting later. So you can change site title later, you can change username, you can change password, everything later. So there is no installation. Oh good, so success, WordPress has been installed. Where you expect more step, sorry this one. Okay, so after installation successfully happen with WordPress, then we need to again log in. So what are the credential we provide in back? Username and password. We need to follow this. So put on your username here and password. So remember me again next time. Log in. Yeah, good. So this is our WordPress screen. So I'm always for learning. Visit sites. Yeah, this is my first site. I will successfully install WordPress on my machine with locally. That's the good thing. So I want to set up the WordPress as a multitasking. Means I if you need to subdomain, just like subdomains, if you find on the Google, there is subdomain called as business dot google google.com. This is a subdomain like that business. Suppose if you want to job dot my website name. So if you want to subdomain with a multi-site multitasking, there is a business page. Login Google My Business. So if you want to network as your site as a multitasking multi-site, so we need to some set up the network setting. So click on, yeah, there is option as a tools, import, yeah, network tools. Actually now careful that here if you click on the tools, here is the one option called as network tools in network setting something, but you don't means visible here. So what are the issue for that? So again open your WordPress, click on the wp config file, edit with notepad plus, and here define debug equal to true. Then here one line of the code, define multi-site as a true in the semicolon. Click on the save, then refresh. Yeah, did not got multi-site define as a multi-site wp underscore multi-site. Click on save. No, multi-site. Save, refresh. Yeah, got it. So if you remove this, got it. So we need to here define as a wp underscore a double allow multi site comma true, then file it, save it, click on our WordPress site, refresh. Yeah, okay, no space, WP allow multi-site. Oh, this is semicolon, middle to semicolon. Yeah, there, network setup. Click on that network setup option. There is network title, and another one is network admin email. Click on the install. So are you eligible for right now to create the subdomain? Yeah. Now here, read that question here. We recommended you backup your existing wp-config.php and .est access file. So add following to your wp config. So this code, if you will show this code, we need to right now paste in our file wp config. This code, that much of code we need to save on wp config file. So open it, click down it, paste here. There is a multi-site, subdomain install, domain current site, everything. Click on the file, save it, minimize it. Then after that, this code we need to add following your .est access file. So copy this code, go to your local drive, means go to your computer, local drive C, Xampp, htdocs and WordPress. Then if you in your WordPress folder, here is the file .est access. Right click on that, edit with notepad++. Then you got some with the code, delete that code and paste code. If click on file, save it, close it. Then you have to successfully right now rewriting on everything. Once you complete the step network enable, you need to again log in. Click on login here. Yeah, click on the login again. Yeah, so there is login of the, you have to complete a login here. So if you want to set up, yeah, here, so network admin, site user, you can change theme, IL2 plugin in my dashboard. Then some areas for learning, you can show your dashboard, new post, manage comments, everything, visit site. So go for your visit site. So it's very basic look from, this is a 23, I think 25 WordPress theme. It's by default theme. So I will tell you one thing, look this URL in this site, this WordPress site in your local machine. So how to another website? So I will go for wordpress.com. I will tell you different, this one and my again WordPress. I will click on the here login. I have some conditional. Yeah, this is my personal prediction. It's different from here. Oops. Yeah, now this is direct means server, in wordpress.com. I create one block from iOS developer. So this is a totally means online base. This is total on server. So if you want to click on my site here, here was the my site, yeah, then view site. If you observe, there is, it's one with the one domain .wordpress.com. so that means these are the running, but these are the total running on server, in it not on your local machine. So if you want to show the dashboard, there is total dashboard are the same, WP admin starts everything. So if you click on WP admin, you got your admin dashboard. So if you observe that here in your local path is a local host, means this is using in your machine, it's not need. If you want to change, you not need any internet connection, everything. So you can change as a standalone application. So you can change anytime if you want. If you build a theme for WordPress, if you build plugin for WordPress, so you can change here. So you don't need to go for right like that, the right things. So okay, so thank you for watching. We will go for the step by step next. So how to create the next, how to design this, how to coding everything. So okay, thank you for this. Please subscribe, please like.